Look at that beautiful Mercedes C250. Lovely midnight blue, very nice alloy wheels, air pressure sensor, continental tire, beautiful beige interior, velvet headliner. Hear the sound. Very nice leg rest on the seats. Keyless entry, everything is Mercedes. Panoramic moonroof, sunroof, passenger 3 times memory seats. It's flawless. DRL, keyless entry, lots of options. Got all the usual CD changer, radio, everything. Pick it up. Hear the sound. Again, Mercedes C250. Beautiful.